Stay in our child's resting pose. Walk the hands over to the right. Reach with the left fingers. Feel the stretch all the way along the left side of the body. Walk back through center and off to the other side. Reach through the right fingers. Right side body stretch. Back through center. Drag the hands in as we round through the spine. Into a seated position. Plant the hands. Tuck the toes. And come to standing at the back of the mat. We're in a forward fold. Shake the head. Let the neck go. Legs can still be in that generous bend. Plant the hands in front of you. Lower down like we're coming into a tabletop, but leave the knees hovering. Move the right hand, left foot forward, left hand, right foot, all the way to the top of the mat, and then move back. So opposite hand, opposite foot. Walk up and down your mat. Come to the back. And then come forward one more time. Walk your feet all the way to the top of the mat. Forward fold again. And sway side to side. And now reach your arms back. Working on the core with this. Engage the core so much that you fold deeper. Reach the fingers back. Focus on the core so that you feel it here. Squeeze through the core to help you fold deeper. Hold it. Hold it. And release. Round up. One vertebrae at a time. Ground down through your feet. Your feet can be hip distance apart or toes can be touching, slight gap between your heels. Everyone lift up all 10 toes. Spread your toes really wide and then try to lower them down. Starting with the baby toe, doing as best as you can. Big toes last. Lift up the toes again, same thing, spread them wide and then fan them down. Starting with the baby toe. And just shift your weight forward and back on your feet here. Side to side a little bit. Feeling the different weight distribution. See if you can come to a point where the weight is evenly distributed around all four edges of your feet. Slight engagement in the core, neutral pelvis. Micro bend in the knees. Roll your shoulder blades down and back the spine. Palms face straight ahead. Proud in the chest, but humble in the head. And then roll out taller, out through the crown of your head. Settle your gaze, focus on one stationary point. We're going to inhale, no rush though, stay here with arms up, grab the left wrist with the right hand, reach over to the right, side body stretch, up through center and grab the right wrist, reach over to the left, back up through center. Bring your hands to the lower back, fingers pointing down, thumbs on the outside. Push your hips forward, drop your head back. Keep that as gentle as you want. And we're going to fold forward. As we fold forward, rip the mat apart with your feet to engage through the glutes even more. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant the palms. Step the feet back, lower knees, chest, chin. Together through into hold. Right arm in front for support. Lengthen to the tailbone. Then through the left leg, reach back with the right hand. Quad stretch. If you can't quite reach the foot, you can use a strap here, strap, scarf, belt, anything you've got. Now release the foot, keep the left leg bent though, and do little pulses. Using the strength in the back line of that left leg. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Support yourself with the left arm. Look past the right shoulder, bend through the right leg, and grab with the right hand or a strap, whatever you might be using. Quad stretch.